Hello everyone. Today we're just going to do a quick review of our Java Lesson 5. Lesson 5 was how to use Java operators. So here I have an example of three different variables. Variable I, j, and k. I is initialized to 10, j is 15, and k basically is just I plus j. And over here, I'm just printing out all three variables. And to make it clear, I'm just gonna put in some description here. So I equals to, and then I'm printing the value of I. I'm gonna do the same for j and k. J and k. Okay, and let's run it. So there it is. Basically, we're just doing addition. I is 10, j is 15, 10 plus 15 is 25. Now, other operators that you can use other than addition. So we did addition here. You can also do subtraction. So you got addition, you got subtraction, you got multiplication and division. Now, other than those operators, you can also have logical operators. Logical operators deals with Boolean variables. So say if I define a Boolean variable, I, maybe I shouldn't clear this out, but I'm gonna define a Boolean variable here. Boolean variable k. This one I'm gonna change back to integer. Okay, here we go. So I have integer variable I equals 10, j equals 15, and I have a Boolean variable k. So if I say k is equal to I equals j. Let's see what would happen now if I run this. So it says I is 10, j is 15, and k is equal to I equals to j. This is gonna return a Boolean expression. And it's gonna say, is I equal to j? The answer is no, because 10 is not, the 10 doesn't equal to 15, so the answer is false, and that's why k is false. Other logical operators that you can use are, so the one that we use is the these are comparison operators. So the one that we use is the equal. You can also test for not equal. You can test for less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So all those you can use, all those operators you can use to compare two values, whether they're equal or not. So for example, if you do j is greater than, I is less than or equal to j, and the answer should be true now because I is actually less than j. If I run this, and you see k is true. And now next thing we have are the logical operators. So in this case, I'm going to change I and j to Boolean variable. And I'm going to say I is true, j is false. Now if I say k is equal to I and j, so basically k is equal to true and false. True and false is gonna give you true, I believe. No, it's gonna give you false. True and false is gonna give you false. And k is false. But if I do I or j, so it's true or false, that's gonna give you true. And k is true. And you can also say k is equal to not I. So it's going to be the opposite of I. I is true, so k should be false. And there it is, k is false. So in this case, you have the and operator, you have the or, and you have the not operator. Other than that, one other thing we covered in our previous lesson is to concatenate two strings. So say if I define a string I equals to my name and string j equals to is max. String k, I'm gonna concatenate string I and string j together. To concatenate two strings together, you just use the plus sign. So k is equal to I plus j. I'm gonna remove this one. And basically I'm just printing out all three variables here. So I is my name, j is max, and k, I'm concatenating two strings together. So k, my name is max. So that's how you concatenate strings together. Alright everyone, that was a quick review. If you want to see the full-length version of this lesson, you can visit our website here and look up lesson number 5. I believe that was lesson 5. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.